Welcome back to my channel.
Tom was the first to arrive.
Tom was the first to arrive.
Did she indicate a price for it?
Did she indicate a price for it?
He's never at a loss for words.
He's never at a loss for words.
When you leave, I'll miss you.
When you leave, I'll miss you.
Television helps us widen our knowledge.
Television helps us widen our knowledge.
You admitted that you made a mistake.
You admitted that you made a mistake.
Are you going to vote for me?
Are you going to vote for me?
Tom and Mary are playing tennis now.
Tom and Mary are playing tennis now.
The students sat quiet all the time.
The students sat quiet all the time.
He's used to getting what he wants.
He's used to getting what he wants.
Tom is in your class, isn't he?
Tom is in your class, isn't he?
How late is the last train?
How late is the last train?
Fred was thrilled to buy the car.
Fred was thrilled to buy the car.
If only my uncles were millionaires.
If only my uncles were millionaires.
You should have stayed in the car.
You should have stayed in the car.
I'm going to stick with it.
I'm going to stick with it.
She was always quarreling with her parents.
She was always quarreling with her parents.
Social media is growing in importance.
Social media is growing in importance.
I want to move to Antarctica.
I want to move to Antarctica.
That's exactly what I told her.
That's exactly what I told her.
The question is which to choose.
The question is which to choose.
Do you know anything about fixing computers?
Do you know anything about fixing computers?
I think Tom speaks French well.
I think Tom speaks French well.
I asked each boy 3 questions.
I asked each boy 3 questions.
Tom doesn't seem to be too worried.
Tom doesn't seem to be too worried.
Pizza and beer aren't a bad combination.
Pizza and beer aren't a bad combination.
You are correct in thinking so.
You are correct in thinking so.
I'd like to hear from Tom.
I'd like to hear from Tom. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
How many strings do most harps have?
How many strings do most harps have?
Everyone wanted a piece of the cake.
Everyone wanted a piece of the cake.
He does 20 push-ups every morning.
He does 20 push-ups every morning.
Did you hear what happened to John?
Did you hear what happened to John?
I am through with his long speech.
I am through with his long speech.
When will we start to eat?
When will we start to eat?
He cast a vote for the proposition.
He cast a vote for the proposition.
He said something I didn't understand.
He said something I didn't understand.
How do I get to gate 33?
How do I get to gate 33?
Tom put sugar in his coffee.
Tom put sugar in his coffee.
The wolf went into the henhouse.
The wolf went into the henhouse.
He is at home on batting.
He is at home on batting.
In the room, all was silent.
In the room, all was silent.
You'll be home by 2:30, won't you?
You'll be home by 2:30, won't you?
Tom wouldn't do it this way.
Tom wouldn't do it this way.
Tom went back into his office.
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 I expect you to be there.
I expect you to be there.
Do you know what that means?
Do you know what that means?
I'm invited to Tom's party tonight.
I'm invited to Tom's party tonight.
I didn't feel like calling her.
I didn't feel like calling her.
I don't know when Tom left.
I don't know when Tom left.
I hope that Mary passes the examination.
I hope that Mary passes the examination.
In general, consumers prefer quantity to quality.
In general, consumers prefer quantity to quality.
I can't find a job I like.
I can't find a job I like.
He went to London 2 years ago.
He went to London 2 years ago.
I don't think Tom hates you.
I don't think Tom hates you.
We all looked out the window.
We all looked out the window.
Do you believe there are ghosts?
Do you believe there are ghosts?
The rain came down in torrents.
The rain came down in torrents. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
I was being made a fool of.
I was being made a fool of.
I don't plan on telling you anything.
I don't plan on telling you anything.
Why do I have to go?
Why do I have to go?
I can't jump over that ditch.
I can't jump over that ditch.
He was running and calling for help.
He was running and calling for help.
He called to say he'd be late.
He called to say he'd be late.
I think you'll like it too.
I think you'll like it too.
My younger sister plays piano every day.
My younger sister plays piano every day.
Tom is being foolish, isn't he?
Tom is being foolish, isn't he?
You're brighter than most of Tom's friends.
You're brighter than most of Tom's friends.
I know you're smarter than me.
I know you're smarter than me.
Freedom of speech was tightly restricted.
Freedom of speech was tightly restricted.
What were you planning on doing today?
What were you planning on doing today?
When will your wedding be held?
When will your wedding be held?
How is this phrase to be interpreted?
How is this phrase to be interpreted?
Man is the measure of all things.
Man is the measure of all things.
Only your stupid remarks are right.
Only your stupid remarks are right.
International trade is vital for healthy economies.
International trade is vital for healthy economies.
I look so fat in this dress.
I look so fat in this dress.
Tom is having trouble with this.
Tom is having trouble with this.
Green water is not good to drink.
Green water is not good to drink.
There's nothing to be nervous about.
There's nothing to be nervous about.
Computer supplies are very expensive in Japan.
Computer supplies are very expensive in Japan.
The Netherlands is a country of cycling.
The Netherlands is a country of cycling.
Are you going to tell them?
Are you going to tell them?
He stabbed me in the back.
He stabbed me in the back.
I think that's up to you now.
I think that's up to you now.
Tom had no place to live.
Tom had no place to live.
We can't finish this project without you.
We can't finish this project without you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Tom shot himself in the head.
Tom shot himself in the head.
The Italians seldom talk about politics.
The Italians seldom talk about politics.
She went on picnic in spirits.
She went on picnic in spirits.
In that regard, I agree with you.
In that regard, I agree with you.
We're in danger of being late.
We're in danger of being late.
We've got a lot to offer.
We've got a lot to offer.
Have you talked to him yet?
Have you talked to him yet?
Let's hurry back to our hotel.
Let's hurry back to our hotel.
Tom seems to like you a lot.
Tom seems to like you a lot.
Do you think that he is dead?
Do you think that he is dead?
Maybe Tom can do something to help.
Maybe Tom can do something to help.
You know, you have beautiful eyes.
You know, you have beautiful eyes.
Many commentators regard Obama as a centrist.
Many commentators regard Obama as a centrist.
It's a pity that you're leaving Japan.
It's a pity that you're leaving Japan.
We went to the Asian supermarket.
We went to the Asian supermarket.
If you need anything, ask for me.
If you need anything, ask for me.
Do you have a hunting license?
Do you have a hunting license?
The young boy helped the old woman.
The young boy helped the old woman.
Why don't you try to relax?
Why don't you try to relax?
What time does the first game start?
What time does the first game start?
He has blonde hair and blue eyes.
He has blonde hair and blue eyes.
He's a complete and utter moron.
He's a complete and utter moron.
Bring the work to the perfect condition.
Bring the work to the perfect condition.
Tom could hear his name being called.
Tom could hear his name being called.
Tom put some salt on his eggs.
Tom put some salt on his eggs.
Please tell me what you heard.
Please tell me what you heard.
Tom goes to a different high school.
Tom goes to a different high school.
Some mental illnesses already have a cure.
Some mental illnesses already have a cure.
I think he must go there.
I think he must go there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
I ran into Tom in the park.
I ran into Tom in the park.
The truck bumped into a car.
The truck bumped into a car.
She looked him right in the eye.
She looked him right in the eye.
I've known her for a long time.
I've known her for a long time.
This is a matter of supreme importance.
This is a matter of supreme importance.
A group of gangsters stole the money.
A group of gangsters stole the money.
Do you want to try it on?
Do you want to try it on?
How much did you tell her?
How much did you tell her?
Let's take up this matter after lunch.
Let's take up this matter after lunch.
I loved Tom like a brother.
I loved Tom like a brother.
Tom likes trying out new things.
Tom likes trying out new things.
Get out of here, you dog.
Get out of here, you dog.
Tom is back from his trip.
Tom is back from his trip.
I think perhaps I can help her.
I think perhaps I can help her.
Tom convinced Mary to hire John.
Tom convinced Mary to hire John.
I have heard nothing of him lately.
I have heard nothing of him lately.
Are there books on the table?
Are there books on the table?
Please don't laugh. Try it yourself.
Please don't laugh. Try it yourself.
I'm used to sleeping in a tent.
I'm used to sleeping in a tent.
Tom put together a neighborhood basketball team.
Tom put together a neighborhood basketball team.
Dan spied Matt making love to Linda.
Dan spied Matt making love to Linda.
Hey, Ayako. Please speak more loudly.
Hey, Ayako. Please speak more loudly.
I can't stand this pain anymore.
I can't stand this pain anymore.
Women were very aggressive with children.
Women were very aggressive with children.
I chopped off the chicken's head.
I chopped off the chicken's head.
I would like to visit South Korea.
I would like to visit South Korea.
The books are on the bench.
The books are on the bench.
I think this meets a social need.
I think this meets a social need.
Tom said that was to be expected.
Tom said that was to be expected.
I wonder what caused this to happen.
I wonder what caused this to happen.
Turn left at the next corner.
Turn left at the next corner.
Have you finished reading today's paper yet?
Have you finished reading today's paper yet?
Linda can dance as well as Meg.
Linda can dance as well as Meg.
What are you into these days?
What are you into these days?
The devil finds work for idle hands.
The devil finds work for idle hands.
Can you hold on for a second?
Can you hold on for a second?
He may well respect the artist.
He may well respect the artist.
Our son died in the war.
Our son died in the war.
I'll pick you up tomorrow after work.
I'll pick you up tomorrow after work.